looking like a handyman.
Yeah, I'm not gonna front. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. I cannot go to work like this. Hey, beautiful people of the world, it's your girl AReid, and if you're tuning in today, it's because you want to witness how your girl epically failed at her first perm set. So when I first did the perm set, it was when I was 1 year locked, and currently I am 3 years locked. So what you're gonna see is footage from when I literally first made the attempt, and then we're going to cut back to present day time. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into the madness. So this is after my hair has been freshly shampooed, conditioned, and I'm going in with my leave-in spray. And these are the perm rods that I use, which I only use the white ones because I wanted them to be small and a tight curl. And then I wasn't sure whether or not I was gonna rod it from the root or the ends, but I decided to go with the root. And I just did my whole head, and then what you're gonna see next is what my hair looked like the following morning. Okay, so it's been about 15 or so hours since I shampooed my hair, put it in the perm set, and just let it air dry. So I'm about to head out. This is how I went to bed with my hair tied up like that. This is what the perm rods look like. And I feel like I look like a grandma, not even an auntie, but a grandma. To be quite honest, I'm nervous. I don't know what to expect. But whatever it is, I'm gonna have to figure it out. If I do not like the way my hair looks, I'm just gonna put a hat on. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So let's just start taking these out. And this is what it's looking like so far. They do have a little spring to it or whatnot. Very nerve-wracking. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, okay? All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like. And let's just see what's happening here. So I'm literally just gonna take my fingers and break them up as I would a regular roller set. I don't know if I would be this aggressive with a regular roller set, but this look kind of cute. Like look up close, y'all. Look up close. Those big curls. I've never
Looking like a handyman. Looking like a handyman. I've never, Lord. Lord, when it came down to the town, I said, and you ain't bring me no peach cobbler.
So yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me do a little rotation. Yeah, I'm not gonna front. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. I cannot go to work like this. I can't. So let's just see how it looks up. Right? Everything go up. Put my elastic in. I'll put it one time. Right? I'll do that one time. And then how I like to wear it when it's up is that like I put some down in the front. Clearly it's not straight. Ain't no way. Y'all, I don't know if the perm set is for your girl. I'm not gonna lie, but I tried. Okay? Basically, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna wear my hair like this, throw my hat on, and then come back tonight and play around with it and see what's going on. So this is what it looks like after I have my hat on all day. The curls, I think, just needed to relax closer to the root area. And then I'm gonna see what I can do with it tomorrow. So after witnessing what I call my epic perm set fail, I decided that I'm gonna give it another attempt, and I'm gonna make sure it's my best attempt at this perm set, because I don't want to be the girl that's like, perm rods is not for me. No. So I'm gonna do things a little bit differently. I'm gonna experiment with a different size, maybe a larger perm rod. and my placement is going to be different. Instead of it being horizontal, I'm going to go vertical because I want my curls to really be more in this area versus at the root. I'm going to try to go for a more flatter root this time. And then the ultimate goal is that I actually wear the curls out versus just putting a hat on. Like, what's the point of going through all of that if I'm just going to put a hat on? So comment down below how you felt about my perm rod set, and if you even attempted at a perm rod set, and if it was easy for you, challenging for you, or even if you have any tips or tricks for me. I'm definitely down and open for that. So I just want to thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for perm rod set part 2, and until next time, deuce, y'all.